What's up everybody, this is Bit here. In the last time we added some of the shots along with our audio file, and if you didn't saw that one, check back our previous video. I included full render of this part. So after that I decided to add some more extra shots in between this edit, because some of the shots are very long shots, so that will get a little bit boring. So that's why I decided to add some more extra shots in that particular part. Let me play this one more time, and then let's add some other shots where we want. I think this shots is pretty good. This is also okay. I think here this is a little bit. Let me play one more time. I think that's fine. I think that is fine. This shot is fine. Yeah, from here I think we need some other shot in this area, because this shot is a little bit lengthy. It will get a little boring in there. So for that I'm gonna go to my collections. Yeah, maybe something like this. Some nature shots. Maybe I will use this one. Little colorful. Maybe from here. Let me play this one. Let's see one more time. So in this shot we have some of the shakiness in that, so we're going to add stabilizer to that one. After that, later, not now. After once we finish, we'll lock the editing. So let me play where we are getting the boring part. I think here we need one more shot. Yeah, here we need one more shot. So let me find out we have what we have. Okay, what is the next shot? Okay, the shot we used. Sorry. Okay, here we can use this shot. We didn't use this shot in previous. So let me take this one. So the beat is starting from here. Go a little bit backwards, 2-3 frames, and then start from there. If you play that one, let's play from here. Don't worry about that red label. It's a render problem. Once we render that one, it will be okay. It's perfectly fine. It's perfectly healthy. So because of some codec problem, that's the reason. Yeah, it's looking good. Yeah, it's looking good. It's matching. I think what I'll do, I'll make this one a little speed, maybe 150. Let me see. Yeah, a little better in that. Maybe I'll make 200 of that, because it's going very slow, so it feels a little lagging in there. So if you have some more speed in that, the shot is going very smooth now. Yeah, that little bit. Yeah, better. So we need to add stabilizer to this shot as well, so we're gonna add that one in the later. This is fine, and this shot also is fine. This is also perfect. Okay, let's make this one as 200% speed. Okay, we don't have that extra shot. Okay, that's fine, leave it. I think that's fine. That shot is fine. Okay, well, we added some other shots. We fill up the gaps where we have a little bit boring in the edit. So let me play this one more time. Yeah, it's looking good. Not bad. Okay, well, here I need a little extra speed in there because the shot is going very slow. I'm gonna make this one as a 200%, then extend up to the next cut, and now play. Yeah, it's a little better now. In this case, we can see there is what's going on in the shot. In the previous shots end up with a hey in this area. We can't understand what's going on in this area, so we need a little bit of information in the shot. So each and every shot we need information. We need to show as possible we can. Okay, that's great. This much is appears now. Revealed. I think this one also I'll make as 200%. Make this as 200% and extend up to. Okay, well, I'm gonna make this one as 150%. 150. We running out of the. We don't have that much length in that shot. A little better. And this shot also I'll make this one as 200%. Well, that's great. Okay, this shot is fine. This is also okay. This shot is fine. We already increased up to 200% in the shot. Over there, it's just a little codec bug. Lovely. This is pretty good, looking good. I think I'm gonna log this one. I'm gonna log this edit. So if I log this one, I can add some more color correction, or is there any wrap stabilizing and sound effects. I'm going to add sound effects for that as well. And then we are adding credits also once we logged. So from here I have a little bit space in here, so I can add end credits there. And then in the beginning, so in the I will show you how to add sensor certificate and all things. Okay, now we have 1 minute 49 seconds. That's great.